Your Bluetooth earbuds are connected but there's still no sound? Don't reset your phone or buy new earbuds yet. Try these settings first because one of them might fix the problem in just a few seconds. First, I will connect my Bluetooth earbuds. Now I will open YouTube and play a video. As you can see, the video is playing but there is no sound coming from the Bluetooth earbuds. Let's fix it. First, open settings and tap Bluetooth. Now tap the gear icon next to your connected Bluetooth device. Look for media audio or audio. If it's turned off, turn it on. Now go back to YouTube and play another video. If the sound is working now, your problem is solved. If not, let's try another fix. Many people don't know this, but Bluetooth devices can stay connected while media audio is turned off. In that case, your earbuds appeared connected, but you would not hear any sound. Now swipe down from the top of your screen and open the quick panel. Tap modes. If sleep mode or another mode is active, turn it off. You can also open settings, then modes and routines to check while mode is enabled. Now play another YouTube video. If you still don't hear anything, try this final fix. If your earbuds are connected to another phone, tablet or laptop, nearly they may automatically switch to that device. Make sure they are connected only to the phone you are using. So open settings, then go to apps, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select reset app preference. Tap reset. Don't worry, this would not delete your photos, videos, apps or personal files. It only reset app settings. Now reconnect your Bluetooth earbuds. Open YouTube again and play any video to test the sound. If your Bluetooth is still connected but there is no sound, comment your phone model below and follow me for more Android troubleshooting video. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tag for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.